I'm Gary Hemming from ABC Finance, and today I'll be running through everything you need to know about homeowner loans in 5 minutes or less. We'll run through what a homeowner loan is, how they work, the advantages and disadvantages of homeowner loans, and the key considerations that you should have prior to taking out a homeowner loan. A homeowner loan is a type of loan that allows you to borrow money using the equity in your property as security. A homeowner loan sits alongside your current mortgage lender and runs as a second charge. They're also known as secured loans or second charge mortgages. A homeowner loan works by allowing you to borrow money against the equity held in your property, sitting alongside your current mortgage. Homeowner loans allow you to borrow money over a longer term and at a lower interest rate than would be possible using a personal loan. Homeowner loans are then repaid over a set term, usually say 20 years, through monthly payments that can either be fixed or variable, depending on the product that you've chosen. Now we'll take a look at some of the advantages and disadvantages of homeowner loans. Firstly, homeowner loans allow you to borrow much more money than would be possible using a personal loan, with most lenders allowing you to borrow between £10,000 and £500,000. The amount that you can borrow will depend on the amount of equity that you have available in your property and your income. Next, homeowner loans allow you to borrow money over a longer period of time. So if you're borrowing a large amount, the monthly repayments will be more affordable, as a homeowner loan allows you to extend the term, whereas an unsecured personal loan would usually be restricted to say 5 or 7 years, which can make the whole thing fairly unaffordable. Now let's take a look at some of the disadvantages. Firstly, homeowner loans take a little bit longer to arrange than personal loans. You can usually expect your application to complete and the funds to hit your account in around 10 to 14 days. Secondly, homeowner loans are secured against your property. This means that should you fail to keep up the repayments on a homeowner loan, your property may be at risk, which is why it's so important to ensure the loan is affordable prior to making an application. Next, should you choose to repay a homeowner loan early, you may be faced with exit penalties or early repayment charges, which can be a few percent of the loan and really add up. Finally, the fees when setting up a homeowner loan are higher than a personal loan, and in particular, some brokers charge very high fees, up to 12.5% of the loan, which can be several £1,000s and really adds to the cost of borrowing. Of course, these brokers should be avoided. There are brokers out there that charge much lower fees, including ourselves. Now let's take a look at some of the key considerations that you should look at prior to taking a homeowner loan. Firstly, consider the type of product that you're looking to take out. Do you prefer fixed rates, variable rates, or are you simply looking for the lowest interest rate? A fixed rate will give you security of knowing exactly what your monthly repayments will be for the duration of the fixed rate period. Fixed rates usually run for between 2 and 5 years, with you then reverting to the lender's variable rate. Secondly, consider the term of your loan. A longer term will reduce your monthly repayments, but increase the total amount of interest that you pay. Reducing the loan term will increase your monthly repayments, but reduce the overall cost. So think carefully about your loan term. Don't just choose a term almost at random. And finally, only borrow the money that you need. No matter how low your interest rate, you will ultimately pay interest for a homeowner loan. So only borrow the amount that you need, consider what the money will be spent on, and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Thanks for watching our homeowner loan video. I hope that the information was useful, although I appreciate there was a lot of it in quite a short time. So if you've got any questions or there's more that you'd like to know, get in touch with us through our website and one of our team will be happy to run through exactly how a homeowner loan would work based on your own personal circumstances.